Hello friends, welcome back to Momentum Stocks. In this video, we are going to discuss about one buy and one sell stock for tomorrow's trading session. And we are also going to discuss about Nifty and Bank Nifty. First, friends, yesterday we had given ITC for a buy. You have seen straight to the target, okay? And then it continued to be there. Second thing, we gave Grasim for a buy. In the beginning, somewhere here is what we bought it, and you have seen it has given good results and stayed above our buy levels. And last but not the least, we gave a sell stock, which was Adani Ports. It started here, made a double top, and our target was given here, friends. Okay, huge target that we gave, and that target was also achieved. So those of us who are still not subscribed to the channel, quickly hit that subscribe button and also ring the bell so that you would not be missing out on any update that is coming up on the channel. And especially for Adani Ports, friends, when Nifty, Bank Nifty both closed positive, Adani Ports made sure that it went down because it was our sell stock. For that, you should also be hitting the like button, friends. Now, how did we choose these three stocks, ITC for a buy, Grasim for a sell, for a buy, and Adani for a sell, is there in the previous video. Understand technical analysis. Those of us who want to learn and understand technical analysis can go ahead and see the previous video. They'll have the complete information about that. Coming to Nifty, Bank Nifty, friends. See, Bank Nifty first. I would like to do detailed analysis of Bank Nifty. Okay. Now here, see, we are at 5 minutes chart. We saw in yesterday's trading session there was a left shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder. Okay, and then there was a breakdown. So it continued to go down. Now, how much did it go down? For that, we will go ahead and draw a simple Fibo from this bottom here, swing bottom, till the swing high. Okay, it went exactly till 38.2 levels. At exact this candle is where I told you to buy. You can go ahead and refer the previous video wherein a buy was suggested right here, and then it continued to go upwards, friends. What happened next? How much did it go up? For that, if I take out this Fibo and draw a Fibo from the recent top, which is here, till this bottom that it made, okay, this bottom, the morning's bottom that it made, you'll see that it went exactly at 50% levels and continued to go back. Now when we are playing Fibo, let me delete Fibo now, and you'll see that at that level there was also a left shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder followed by downward momentum. Now if you draw a line like this, this target was clearly achieved here, friends. After that, what happened is, now look at this carefully again. This is your top. It made a bottom here, upward momentum, again bottom, and continued to move upwards. Now, something that we would like to put more emphasis on is like this, friends. Now, if I take off this double bottom, you'll see on a 1 minute time frame. Okay, this was your first bottom and this was your second bottom on a 5 minutes time frame. On 1 minute time frame, you see this was your first bottom and this was your second bottom. This was your breakout and upward momentum. Now, how much does this upward momentum happen? For that, we will go ahead and again play Fibo. So this was your recent swing low to the swing high. So it retraced. This was your swing low. Okay. So it retraced exactly up to 61.8 level. Did not close any candle there and continued its momentum upwards. And this time when it continued its momentum upwards, it also made a pattern called a bearish or bullish head and shoulder. I'll draw it for you. It is left shoulder, head, and a right shoulder, breakout straight to gap filling level, which is here. Okay, we filled the gap, and here what happened is, again there is a left shoulder, a head, and an attempt of a right shoulder, and there can be a breakout and upward momentum again. Now, if this is the analysis that anyone is telling you, okay, make sure that you put that video in the notes in the comment section, friends. This analysis, nobody on YouTube has done this analysis till now. The reason is simple. They don't want you to gain knowledge, and we in this channel promote knowledge. We are giving a buy and a sell stock. That is not important. What is important is the knowledge that you are gaining from the channel. For this particular words, if you are not hitting the like button, it is very difficult for the channel to sustain, friends. Quickly hit that like button so that I understand that you people are really liking this. Coming to analysis of Nifty. Okay, Nifty, see, if the same bottom is caught here on a Fibo, simple from the bottom to the top, it made a rejection from 23.6 levels itself. It did not even come till here because there was a gap filling that was done and it stayed sideways throughout the day. Only thing is, if you notice carefully, you'll see this. There is a left shoulder, a head and a right shoulder. Now there has to be a breakout, after which it will continue its journey upwards. Tomorrow, what we'll do is in Bank Nifty, friends, as soon as this top is taken off, okay, we can go ahead and create buy positions. Or second way is, once this top is broken, we would go ahead and wait for a retracement. How much would be the retracement? For that, we'll draw Fibo from the recent bottom, which is here, okay, to the top, which is here. Okay, so already 50% is retested. So after this particular top is broken, we'll create a Fibo from this bottom here, this bottom till wherever the top is, and then we'll go ahead and have an entry somewhere close to this level. Okay, and our target would be the top here, friends. That's how we would be trading Bank Nifty. Conversely, if you see negative candles coming up, then what we'll do is we would go ahead and draw this trend line here. Keep it ready. And you may consider this trend line, friends. We are not interested in this trend line. Okay, if this trend line is broken, you see a candle forming below this trend line here, okay, and it comes here and it goes here and comes down. We are not interested to buy puts or create sell positions here. We are interested in creating sell positions only at breakout of this trend line, okay, that comes from the today's bottom. Please make it very, very clear. That's how we would be trading Bank Nifty. Nifty, same thing. As soon as this particular trend line is broken, okay, the levels are 18,160. Above that, that's when we can go ahead and create buy positions for the top as the target. When will we create sell positions? We would create sell positions at break of this level, 18,103. Below that is what we'll create sell positions for first target here and second target 50% level, which is 18,019, friends. Okay, that's how we would be trading on Nifty, Bank Nifty. Now talking about buy and sell stock, friends. You already know the sell stock, but we are talking about buy stock first. We are choosing Tata Consumer for a buy, friends. Why? Because see, today Nifty, Bank Nifty closed the gap very late. Okay, Tata Consumer in first 10 candles it straight made a new top here. This top was there, it made a new top. After that it retraced and it gave a breakout. How much was the retracement? For that, see, I'll show you this retracement. Look at this particular level here. Okay, from here if I am drawing a Fibo, the retracement was very, very weak. It did not even come till the 23.6 levels and it gave a breakout. Now what we would do is we can create buy position here for this top. At this top there is a possibility of a double top pattern, okay, a small fall and again continual upward momentum. That's what we are seeing at right now. And your second reason is, instead of this trend line, if I'm drawing this trend line, friends, so you can see that this is a bear angle, okay, this is a bull angle, and further you can see this is your left shoulder, this is your head, and this is your small right shoulder. Now, there is a possibility that this right shoulder can extend a little and then there is an upward momentum, friends. So be ready for that kind of a momentum in Tata Consumer. That's what we see in Tata Consumer for a buy. Coming to the sell stock, you already know, we have discussed this in past. Bajaj Finserv is our sell stock. Reasons are simple. First reason is your left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and this is where we've sold it 2 days ago and we captured this momentum. Again, it has come up to a certain level. That is the reason we are choosing it for a sell again. How much did it come up? For that, we are drawing a Fibbo from the recent top to the recent bottom. So you have seen that it has been taking rejection from 23.6 levels. More importantly, we also see a pattern here. What is the pattern? This is your left shoulder. This is your head. The head went little above the 32.8% levels, and this is your right shoulder. What did the stock do? People sold it here. So stock went ahead and hit their stop losses in the last candle, friends. Now there is a possibility that it opens somewhere here. We can still select it for a sell until it crosses this level, which is 1362.5. After that is what we will not be looking for it for in a sell side. Once it crosses this level, we would not sell it. Until then, we can clearly go ahead and sell the stock. I hope you liked the analysis, friends. If you did, please hit the like button. Also share it with your friends, family members, basically anyone who is looking forward to make money from Indian stocks. Thanks for watching and wish you a profitable expiry, friends.